do not need to have to adjust the nails. It's gonna make a mess and it's gonna make everything it's just like really dirty and dust in there. So only you need to do is apply the base gels, and only you need it to apply the base gel where it is going to adhere on your tips. Okay, so I am go ahead and do it all 5 nails. If you do all 10 nails at one, or I did already do the other 5, so you can do 5, but when you do the clients you can do like 10 of them and lay on the plates like this, and then key all of them at the same time for 10 seconds. So this will help to a first layer bonding and help for the adhesion of the insert tip for gel extension with omega gels. And then later I'm gonna show you how I prep. So I prep, just remove the cuticles and remove all the oils from my nails plate. So now we are going to prep the tips. Important, just